Hey guys, this is Patty once again. I brought you in to see our quick meal. Field peas with snaps. Here's that homemade bread, that riced cauliflower, and the chicken breast nuggets. And this is all pantry and freezer cooking. These are the field peas, 2 cans, the rice, and the chicken nuggets. These are the seasonings that I used to spruce it up. Tony Chachere's Creole, Maggie Polo, garlic, and onion powder. And here it is, y'all. And it is so delicious. So quick, but so delicious, as I said. And my kitchen smells amazing. You would think that everything was cooked from scratch. Well, the bread was. I did cook the bread from scratch. So, thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching and supporting and commenting. This is Patty Southern Kitchen, and more. Please subscribe and please give me the thumb up. Help me out, y'all. And ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on a single video. Bye now.